Welcome to Team Energy Induction. This is a Yamaha RX135 project that we have executed recently. It is titled Project Black Redux. Okay, so this is completely done up. It's a full restoration basically. Okay, complete with OEM parts and everything. So if you focus on the engine, this is a brand new 40L00 cylinder. Okay, it has a TA spec clutch system which augments the high performance build or the entry level build. Okay, the ignition system is TA spec. Okay, so before I talk about that, the customer, he actually had got couple of times engine rebuild done in Bangalore. So they had put up a sleeve bore in it as well as a local crank job. The connecting rod was completely local. So we all taken care of all that. The 4-speed gearbox in the bike, the existing bike, so that was they had changed the second gear as well, so the shifts are really hard and stuff like that. So we changed the gearbox, done a lot of work on this bike basically. Even the chassis was rebuilt completely. Front fork setting completely worked on the forks and everything. Okay, fuel tank washed and everything done. All right, so the customer basically wanted a RXZ, this console, speedometer, tachometer, the center panel, center locking system. So all that, whatever the parts that were needed, that were fit in. As you can see, this is imported RX clutch and magnet covers that we have fit. This is not the 2000, 3000 or even people are selling it for as high as even 10,000 rupees. That's the local one. These are the original ones. Okay, every single video related to this build, they will go live from March 27th on our YouTube channel under the project titled Project Black Redux. Okay, you can watch it over there. All the work has been shown over there. Okay, so yeah, so now you've all seen the walk around and stuff. So let's do a quick cold start. Okay, typical cold start, revs at 4000 rpm. Check the throttle response now. And then we can switch off the choke now. Which I have already shown everybody. Okay, there is one thing I wanted to tell about this switch as well. This is not a direct fit. Okay, you need the wiring to be done on this. Okay, yeah, hope you all like the video. I'll just do you can switch off from here as well as the skill switch. Okay, so if you like the video, our working style and everything, I'll be giving couple of links as well, the links for the various engine builds. Okay, as well as the procedure to get the engine rebuild done. It's explicitly mentioned in Instagram as well as YouTube. Okay, I'm going to be sharing those links once again. Okay, so if you're interested in getting the rebuild done, just let us know, just so that you all know. Even the seat, complete seat, this is not purchased, this was built from scratch from a friend of mine who owns a seat shop. Okay, so there are a lot of basically things that has gone into this bike and this rebuild and stuff. Okay, and we'll be handing over the bike very soon to the customer. Okay, so post run in, after he finishes the necessary run in of the bike, so then we would be, you know, uh, working on the tuning aspect, the high speed testing and everything, because we have to prove and validate our claims, right? So yeah, so if you like this video, share it among your fellow enthusiasts. Okay, thank you.